In Chhindwara, a district of Madhya Pradesh, 14 children tragically passed away after consuming the contaminated coldrif cough syrup. The state government has indeed taken strict action against Dr. Pradeep Soni, who prescribed this toxic syrup, and Shresan Pharmaceuticals, the Tamil Nadu-based manufacturer. According to the official report from the Tamil Nadu Drug Control Authorities, the coldrif syrup actually contains a whopping 48.6% diethylene glycol, DEG, a highly poisonous industrial chemical used in antifreeze and brake fluids, which is extremely harmful to health. The authorities have filed an FIR against both Dr. Soni and Shresan Pharmaceuticals under sections 276 and 105 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, with charges including negligence causing death and adulteration of drugs. Additionally, they've been booked under Section 27A of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, 1940, which carries severe penalties, including up to 10 years of imprisonment or even life term. Dr. Soni has been arrested and subsequently suspended from his government position as a pediatrician at CHC Parasia. A special investigation team, SIT, has been formed to delve deeper into the case, and they're even planning to visit Tamil Nadu to investigate Shresan Pharmaceuticals further. The Madhya Pradesh government has also banned the sale of coldrif cough syrup statewide and is providing financial assistance of 4 lakh rupees to the families of each deceased child.